Hello, my name is Naomi. I'm 8 years old, and I'm so glad you are here today. Here in my channel, I show you how to make awesome things. My summer camp got canceled, so we're going to be making fun summer camp treats that you can make at home. Today, we're going to make apple peanut butter dentures. Here's what you need: peanut butter, mini marshmallows, and an apple. You're probably wondering where my apple is, but we need to go outside and pick ours. Come on! Oh my gosh. Now I've got my apples, and it's time to start. First, have a grown-up slice your apples. Now comes the fun part. Let's turn these apples into dentures. Hello, I need dentures. Can you make me some? First, let's spread peanut butter on 2 apple slices. Now take your mini marshmallows and stick them on like this. And then take the other apple slice and stick it on. Taste test time. There you have it, fun apple peanut butter teeth. Fun summer camp treat you can make at home. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more awesome videos just like this one. Thanks for watching. Bye! Peanut butter? Peanut butter? Butter sounds so weird.